Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot for the 4th of July. So, let's dive in. Alright guys, we're going to kick off the 4th of July sales here at Home Depot with this Loco Series 2 burner. It is $3.99, so $100 off. This is a great option for you to get started in grilling. Then we also have the Flat Rock Flat Top grill here. You can get $100 off of this one as well. We also have the Traeger down $200 to $5.99, which is a great price on that one as well. And we also have a lower price here on this red apple option for Kingsford. So if you need to grab some of that for smoking chunks, you definitely can. Then we see a few other great deals going on. We have the OnePlus cordless pet vacuum for $1.99. Get to save $50 off of that. Another great deal. Then we get to see another great deal right here on Shark Rocket Corded Stick Vacuum for $129, and then also Eureka Multi-Surface Upright Bagless Vacuum for $50. Get to save $30 on that. It's another great deal. And then another great option here for another vacuum. Then we jump into some power tools. We see some of these deals right here. You get a free tool option here once you get a battery for Ryobi. So this is, again, a great deal. So with the purchase of these batteries, you get to pick out one of these tools. Get some more options here. If you need a brad nailer, another great option, $189, pretty good price for that. Then we also see the Ryobi inflator. It's an 18 volt, $40. Then we also see the 4-tool combo kit, pretty good price there for $160 for Ryobi. Then another scrubber kit, a little bit smaller than we've seen in the past, but $50, pretty good option right there for cleaning. Then we have a few other deals for Ryobi, so if you need some of these batteries or the fast charger as well. We also have the cultivator kit, so if you still have some deals going on with that, $200, you get to save $150 off of that. Then we also have the telescoping power scrubber for $119, again, to clean your car and other things. Good option for that. Then we have the 6-tool combo kit. Again, exclusive 18 volt. Has all the options you're going to need to get you started and do some great work. Great DIY selection there. Also have a few other drill bits and items. Then we have the wet dry vac hand vacuum for $70. The angle grinder here for $60. And then also the shearer here for $70. And remember, you get these free if you purchase the battery set. Then we get into some Milwaukee items, and this one's a little different. You get the free battery when you buy one of these tools, so you can see all the options you got going on right here. Bunch of different great options with ratchets and other things that you're going to need. Then we also have another option here. If you buy this rotary hammer kit, then you also get the grinder for free. It's a pretty good deal, $79 value on that. Then we have a few just other small combo kits here. You can definitely see these. Check these prices out. Pretty good options, especially for this Milwaukee brand. Then a 4th of July sale, we got the 2-tool combo kit here for $350. So that's a great deal for Milwaukee. Again, great deal for 4th of July. See what these look like. Get some good options. These are definitely going to last you a long time. And then we also see these. When you buy 2 tools, you can get these batteries for free. So a $250 value there, especially if you're going to be buying some of these. And then they also have a couple of super savings there at the bottom as well. A few other special buys going on. You can see some of these deals in the Milwaukee options. Rotary hammers, blades, just different things. If you need a Sawzall, combo kits, or all these other options right here, there are some great deals going on. And again, Milwaukee is one of the best options you can get for tools, especially power tools here at Home Depot. So they're definitely going to do a good job. Their brand is great, works really well, feels really good. They're going to last you a long time as well. But you see some of these prices, ratchets, and also some batteries. And then we see the hole saw kit and a few other options as well. Then we see a few deals. We see the power light, if you need to grab that for $229. And then also this flashlight kit. And then on this deal, that you can buy any 2 of these for $99. So it's a great price for that. So you can get some savings off of that. Pretty good options. You get to save some money So great deals on some of these. Then we also have some Diablo options. Get a few different options here for $12.88. These are some of the best blades that you're going to use, whether it's Sawzall blades or different cutting blades. So definitely some great options there. Then we also have a few more hand tools for Milwaukee. 15 bucks for these. I do love these little knives. Those are some great little fastbacks. Again, I've used those, works really well. Then we have a few different other options as well. So if you need some of these, definitely a great time to grab. And we see a few more tools as well. If you buy this tool, then you get one of these for free. So here's another shot of the deals going on with Milwaukee. You can buy 2 of these tools. You see all the options here, and you get the starter kit for free. And then also some of the super savings right there. And then you can also order these online if any of these are out of stock in your store. But these are some great deals if you want to get into the Milwaukee options. And then here's another shot at the deals for Ryobi with the purchase of these starter kit batteries here that you can choose one of these brushless tools. So if you want to get into some of their higher capacity options, these are definitely some great options. You can see what you have available there. Then we see the Dremel on sale, 70 bucks. Dremel's a great thing to have, always a great thing to keep around. Then with summer in full swing, you can see some of these items have been discounted a little bit. You got the trimmer edger kit here for $89, and then also the blower. I have a Ryobi blower. It works really well. We also see the push mower down to $2.99. Pretty good price for that option there. And then also the 18-volt 1 Plus blower for 99 bucks as well. Then we get into some Milwaukee outdoor items. We see the string trimmer here for $2.99. Pretty good option there for Milwaukee. Again, they're going to do a great job for you. Then we have a few rigid items. We have the Brad nailer, 79 bucks. Great price for that. Then we also have the framing nailer for $179. Get the save down from $209. Then we also have the digital inflator, 59 bucks, and then also the 18 gauge Brad nailer as well, one at 59. Then we see a few more hand tools here. We have the staple gun for 16, dual tape measures for 14. We also have the ratcheting screwdriver set, which I love, for 12, and then even some blade options there. And then we still even have some of these other Husky options with the pliers and wrench sets. Always fun to grab some of these. These are great things to keep or even great things to gift for other DIYers. Then we have the rolling toolbox here for 80 bucks for Husky. Again, they're going to do a good job. Solid brand there, so good option for that. If you need a mobile toolbox for you, maybe take it to work or just around the house. Then we also have the 270-piece tool set here for $100. So again, this is a great tool set to get somebody going. A lot of great options. Then we see some paint sprayers here from Wagner, $139. So you can check that one out, and then also a 94. So if you need some of these, great prices going on right now for the 4th of July sales. Wagner's a great brand. They're definitely going to do a good job for you. I've had them in the past, and they've worked well. And we see a few other paint options here, 12 bucks and 13 bucks for some rollers and also some paintbrushing kits. So if you have some DIY projects going on with some paint, might as well go ahead and grab some of these deals, save a little bit of money. Then they also had some chemicals, towels. You can see some of these for 10 bucks as well. Pretty good price on that. And then we see a few more 4th of July savings here for some off. If you're definitely going to be outside, keep those mosquitoes away with some off. We also see some more paint projects. You can save a few bucks here on some of these. Acrylic, caulk, and some silicone. And again, a few more options as well, some more deals going on with those. So again, if you're going to be painting or just doing some DIY touch-ups, this is definitely a great thing to go ahead and grab. It's the exterior and interior options. We also have the kneeling pads. So if you're going to be doing some work in the garage or anything like that, these are definitely some great things to save your knees. And then I love ratchet tie downs. Keep some in your truck, all vehicles, and at your shop, whatever it might be. You never know when you're going to need some of these. Then we also have some deals right here. You can check some of these out. If you need some of these framing nails, Get a pretty good deal on that. And then also another set right here as well. So you can check some of these out, save a few bucks, especially if you bought a nail gun while they were on sale right now. You can go back here and grab you some framing nails as well. Then we also see Milwaukee pack out. So if you're gonna getting some Milwaukee items, you can also grab some of these to make your area look nice and have some nice storage in your shop or your garage. These are really nice, look really cool, and again, going to help you out a lot, save you some space. I also had some deals on some of these big channel locks. You can check these out in the Husky brand. These bigger pliers here. And then also another 12-inch option here for the groove joint pliers, down a few dollars. So if you're going to be needing some of these, great time to grab some. Also another great gift option as well. So if you want to go ahead and buy some for the Christmas season, this is a great option for you right here. Save you a little bit of money. Then we have a few more deals right here. You can see a couple other different plier sets. So if you need to grab some of these, some of them have been picked over, but there are some other options for you as well. So you can check out some of these Husky brand option pliers. Then we also have the 3-piece mini plier set. Save a couple bucks on this. Great to always have some of these. Needle nose are definitely great things I always keep in my pack at all times. Then we also have a few different deals going on. You can see some deals right there with the Porter cable options. Again, seeing those at Home Depot are always weird to me. Then you can grab this DeWalt roofing nailer and some more clearance items here. Always check in the back. You never know what might be available in your clearance item. A lot of times, though, I have noticed that most of the time the clearances are very similar. So if you see something in these videos that you might be interested in, it's definitely a great thing to go and check out because they might be in your clearance area as well. A lot of times with Home Depot, they will mark things down, and so they will begin going, and all of their stores will begin marking things down at the same time. So if you can check some of these out, little deck clips here, pretty good options for those. Then we also see a few other deck options or just some screw options as well. So if you need some of these, you can definitely grab that. Pretty good prices on some of these clearance items. We also had some light bulbs on sale. So you can save some of these, save you a little bit of money, and light up the house. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. There's some great deals going on, some grills, also some tools, outdoor power tools, and a bunch of other deals as well. So if you're interested, you can definitely go down there and check out these deals for the 4th of July. So make sure you don't miss these. But if this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.